YouTube. This is recording from the GoPro. I have the ATC cable hooked up to it. Hopefully you can hear me. Nick's also on the ATC.
Cherokee 74 November, Glen Airport, 12 o'clock and 10 miles, advising me have in sight.
274 November, searching for the airport, will advise.
Hey, I see a plane to the right, a little below.
Yeah.
What is that?
Probably Carver, but I'm not sure.
November 4 Romeo Bravo, Roger, VFR flight following is canceled. Air services terminated, stock 1200. Have a nice day.
Spark VFR frequency approved, and have a good day for Romeo Bravo. Traffic for Romeo Bravo, short final 11 Casville.
This is dodgy.
I love it.
Yo, that guy has a water slide in his backyard to the river. That was cool.
Plenty of space.
Yeah, no problem. Alright, we're going to keep the GoPro recording, and I'm going to get out.
I'm debating what side you should go on.
I'll go on the side towards the houses.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Alright, this is about halfway-ish. You ready?
Yeah. It was so cool.
She performs well. Off we go.
I had no data, and when some of the locals were looking at me weird, some of them were waving at me, but some of them were looking at me weird, and I felt weird.
4 Romeo Bravo, were you going back to southeast?
That's affirmative for 4 Romeo Bravo.
That's 4 Romeo Bravo, roger, taxi via Kilo 5, Kilo to the southeast, and you can remain this frequency. Have a good morning.
Kilo 5, Kilo to the southeast, this frequency, and you have a great day. 4 Romeo Bravo.